Hello students, welcome back to our channel Diksha Karnataka. So your COMEDK 2024 provisional answer key has been released today at 11 am. So you might be thinking now how to check the scores, how to download the answer key. So in this video, I'll be telling you the detailed step-by-step process how you can download the COMEDK 2024 provisional answer key and check your scores. Okay, and in the end of this video, I'll be also giving you the direct link to download the answer key. So this is how you can download your COMEDK 2024 provisional answer key. So first open any browser and type COMEDK 2024, and then after this you will be getting this link, that is COMEDK.rog. So click on this link. Now you will be getting this COMEDK official website. So here you have to click on the login button. Now once you click on the login button, you will be directed to this page where you have to enter your credentials, your application number, your password, and then you have to type this captcha and then click on the login button. Now once you enter all the details, so click on the login button, then you will be redirected to this page. So in this you have to click on this provisional answer key tab. Once you click on this tab, you can see you can click here to generate your answer key, and then you can check all your scores. Here the correct answer is marked and here the chosen option is given, and then you can calculate your scores. So just download it here and then check your scores for your COMEDK 2024 examination. So thank you for watching this video. The link to download the answer key is given in the comment section. Thank you.